No theme, just style. What am I talking about? I'm talking about when you're designing your home and it's feeling a little themey. Designers don't do theme, we do style. What do I mean by this? Let's get into it. We want to talk about our Selkirk project because this home is on the lake. And this is a common one that we see a lot where a lake house can become a little themey. What we mean by themey is when a home is designed around a particular style and the design is taken a little too literally. So, for instance, with a lake home, you would see signs like, come live at the lake, life's better at the lake. Or if it's a beach home, life's a beach. No, sorry. No seashell, no rope, none of that. We're not doing themey. If you want an elevated home that oozes style and just feels like it fits right into its surroundings, you need to design without a theme. So, how do we do this? Let's talk about this project. So, in this home, like I said, it's right on the lake. So, we think about colors of the lake. What are we seeing? We're seeing blues, we're seeing greens, there's lots of greenery by the beach. We're seeing the color of sand, so we're thinking natural light beiges. There's stone, there's lots of rocks at the beach. So there's the incorporation of stone and all the colors that you see in stone. We literally pulled the color palette from the natural surroundings. And this is how we get a space that feels layered and textured and feels like it fits into its surroundings without any sign about it being beside a lake. No little ships, no little seashells, just a lot of style, a lot of texture. Here you can see in the main living space, we've used natural wood in the kitchen. We've used natural stone countertops, which actually give us the feeling of sand because they have that same color. And when you're using a natural marble, you're getting this gorgeous natural veining that's reminding us of nature. We've got a backsplash that's got a lot of texture to it. So it's again tying us back into nature. In the living space, we've got the gorgeous stone fireplace, and then all the palette in that room is pulled from the stone on the fireplace. So you'll see the chairs, the side table, the ottoman are all colors that you're seeing in this stone. And then in the dining area, again, we've pulled those colors in and we've just added a little bit more punctuation of color with the cushions and the artwork, but it's all in the blue. So the colors are all relating us back to nature without feeling too themey. This is going to give you a space that is timeless and beautiful, and it's going to look amazing for years to come.